All right, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back with you here, Natural Transplants in the Maryland office. And today we have Barrett is coming back to see us. We did not do a video beforehand, but oh my God, it's hard to even recognize you. You look like a different guy. It's been about a year. It's been about a year since your procedure. We did the frontal third area and some of the temples as well too. And we're going to overlay the before pictures so you can see sort of the magic, transformation. But tell us how it went and tell us how you like it, man.
Yeah, I mean, I'm loving it. Honestly, like, the procedure, it's a little long, but,
Yep.
I mean, I was in the office for, like, a few hours, watching TV
Yeah.
the whole time. So it's not that
We got to know each other, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely, we chilled. Yeah, I mean, it really wasn't bad at all. I mean, honestly, like, my hair looks pretty much full, and like to have that result and only have pain for like maybe about half a week,
Yep.
like totally worth it.
Awesome.
So
Awesome.
I'm very happy with it. My friends say it looks great. I told them, I mean, I don't really care.
So you were upfront about it and sort of open about it and shared their journey.
Honestly,
yeah.
I went to a wedding and like my head was like shaved, and I was like, let's be honest, like
It's hard to cover that one up.
I have a shaved head, like I'm just gonna go out and say like I got a hair transplant.
Good for you, right?
Like what? Like no way, like that's awesome.
Yeah.
I was like,
Yeah. Good for
so,
you.
But yeah, I mean, my hair grew back within like 6 months.
Yeah.
So, I mean, full results are about a year, but
Yep.
my hair looks, it was getting better, every month.
Yeah,
So.
and as we talked about, you have typical white guy hair. It's very, it's fine, thin, straight hair. So with anybody, but especially your hair type, you're still going to see through that to a certain degree. And that for some guys that may want them to do a second coat of paint. I honestly don't think you need it. I mean, it looks damn good. But how did it change you in any way? Did it change kind of your experience in any way? Talked about that.
I definitely have more confidence, like going out to the bars, like I don't have to wear hats anymore or anything,
cool.
or like think about how my hair looks in like the natural sunlight or anything like that. So I mean, I'm really happy with it. I just think I look better overall.
Yeah.
Just
like I said, you look like 15 years younger. It's incredible. It's incredible.
I really appreciate it. I mean, and I started losing my hair when I was like 21.
Really?
So like,
and how old are you now?
I'm 27 now.
Okay.
Yeah. So once I got to like a senior in college, I was starting to look like I was already like 30 years old, and I was like, all right, like this kind of sucks.
Make a huge difference. Hair makes a huge difference, man. It looks awesome. Well, now that we have it, what I'm gonna have you do is just sort of look down for me and to hold that for like 2 or 3 seconds. Yep. Awesome. And then go ahead and look straight back at me, and then pick a side, left or right, and then hold that for a couple seconds. Yep. And then other way. Damn, man. Woo! Looks fantastic.
Yeah,
love it. Thank you for doing this. Any words of advice on anybody out there kind of thinking about it or on the fence?
I would say you should definitely do it. I mean, it's worth it. I really do think there's a lot of scams out there when it comes to losing your hair. There's a lot of stuff they try to sell you. They say it works and it doesn't. I've tried many things.
Yep. So did I.
This was a thing that actually worked for me.
Yeah.
So there's a little pain involved, like maybe a couple days, but I think it's really worth it just to bite the bullet and do it. So.
Barrett, man, looks fantastic. Congratulations. I love it, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Welcome to the family. Cool.
Of course.
Appreciate it.
Maybe I'll come back. We'll
see. Hopefully you don't, but we're here if you need us.
Exactly.
Thanks for sharing your story with everybody. Hopefully this sort of resonates with somebody out there, and we'll follow along and send us postcards and stuff along the way. All right.
All right.
All right, bud. Take care, man.
All right.
Bye.
Nice talking to you.